Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Illustrator to create a brand mark from scratch, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your computer meets the system requirements for Adobe Illustrator. Visit the official Adobe website to download the software. Click on the free trial button if you're a new user or sign in if you already have an account. Create an Adobe ID if you don't have one. Fill in the required information to set up your Adobe account. After signing in, navigate to the Illustrator product page. Select the appropriate plan that suits your needs. Click the Buy Now or Start Free Trial button. Follow the prompts for payment, if applicable. Once your purchase is complete, the download will begin automatically. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Illustrator on your computer. Once the installation is finished, open Adobe Illustrator. Create a new document by clicking File and then New. Select your desired canvas size for your brand mark. Familiarize yourself with the workspace and tools available. Choose the pen tool or shape tool to begin designing. Start sketching out the basic shapes of your brand mark. Utilize the color picker to choose your color palette. Experiment with different fonts by selecting the Type tool. Add any text you would like to include in your brand mark. Once satisfied with your design, group all elements together. Save your work by clicking File and then Save As. Select your preferred file format, such as AI or PNG. Adjust the resolution settings if you plan to print the brand mark. Finally, export your design for sharing or use in various media. Your brand mark is now ready for presentation and use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.